This Tech Tips video provides you with a user guide for learning how to use the IP test interface, guides you, step by step, in performing a IP test for the IP Claypaky fixture, and a calibration self-test for the IP tester. The user interface. When powered up, the IP test will display the home page, providing users immediate access to the list of IP fixture. Clicking page plus and minus buttons allows users to scroll through the library pages. After a product name is selected, it will be highlighted in a blue color. The name will then be showcased on the right side of the homepage. To add a fixture, click the Add Fixture button. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to edit the name. Once finished, click OK to return to the homepage. Select the fixture you created and press the Confirm button. You are now to the product page, where you can edit all the necessary values. Press Delete Fixture and then OK if you want to remove a fixture. Let's take an overview of the product page. Click on a fixture, then confirm with the dedicated button your selection. On the product page, you can edit the fixture ID. For Edit the Value, click on the parameter settings. A password, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is required. You will be redirected to the value page. Edit the value. Once you have finished, click Return in the top right corner to go back to the previous page. Press the Testing Record button to access all recorded tests. From this section, you can export data via USB in Excel format by connecting a USB key in the USB display port. Or you can clear all the record data. Vacuum procedure. The additional required tools are wrench key M19 and Phillips screwdriver. Connect the power cable to the IP test. And turn it on. Carefully insert the pump adapter M12 into the air relief valve hole of the fixture. And tighten with the wrench. Verify the presence of any additional valves by consulting the product documentation available on the eAssist webpage. If additional valves are found, ensure they are securely closed using the cap closer, which is included as an accessory in the IP test box. Verify that all sealing surfaces are clean and dry. Carefully close all rubber cap. Connect the flexible tube between the IP test and the fixture. Choose the fixture model. Confirm your choice, and click the Start button. The vacuum process will begin. At the end of the process, a message will display the result. If the process ends with a green pop-up message, success. The vacuum test ends properly. If the process ends with a red pop-up message, fails. Check all the rubber cups again. And verify the closure or the presence of another valve. Self-test calibration. For the self-test calibration, it is required the flexible air tube and calibration tool accessory. Connect the flexible tube between the IP test air IN adapter and the calibration tool. Each product page includes a calibration button. Once you're in, press the Start button to allow the process to start. A 15-day calibration period is suggested. Thanks for your attention.